I feel like I need to block everything out and stay focused on my goals. Take over the globe.
In a different mind state. I'm playing for keys like in the streets, I want it my way. Hey, fuck that state, we eating beef, we know that crime pay. They say we dogs and every dog gon' have his dying day. Rockin' that demon SRT, that big is sideways.
The past few days, I've been stuck in bed, sick as a fucking dog. I'm still not feeling well, but the show must go on. So good morning, guys. Today, we're gonna be taking out the M3 to install a new modification. This is a modification that I've been waiting to do for a very long time, and here it is. These are downpipes from VRSF. They make really high quality downpipes for all type of cars. Make sure you guys go check them out. I'll leave their link in the description below. So right now, the car has a full exhaust from X-Force, and it sounds really, really great. I'm gonna start it up for you guys on this current setup so you can hear how it sounds right now, because later on in the video, it's gonna get a heck of a lot louder. That's at least what I've been told, that once you install downpipes, it's gonna get a little louder. I really don't want it to get louder, but in order for me to go fast, I have to install these downpipes. That's the only way right now you can make power out of these G80s. Of course, downpipes tune an E50. I've seen them run mid-9s, and that is super impressive for such little modifications. I really like the sound of my G80. It doesn't sound raspy. It doesn't sound like a freaking 4-cylinder Honda. It sounds pretty good. I think the exhaust has a great tone to it. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I have no business being out right now filming because I am sicker than I have ever felt. Half of my face is numb right now. Like, I can't even move this eyebrow. I can barely blink on this side of my face. My mouth barely moves on this side. It's like, I don't know. The back of my head hurts from this side. I don't know what's going on. I'm probably gonna have to go to the hospital or doctor after this video is done. But yeah, like, work is always a priority, and I really had to get this done because, you know, it's just, work is first to me. But I know that health is more important. But we're gonna get this done and then hopefully go to the hospital and see what's going on. I went on Google, and well, if you are ever having any sort of symptoms, do not go on Google. Google will tell you that you're about to pass away, and it's just people overreacting. A lot of false info on there. We made it to Auto Kings. Man, they got a huge shop here. They got some slingshots. They got a big sprinter bus right there. They got a boat right here, a jet ski. This is a huge shop. Oh boy, they got hella BMWs. Actually, they got, looks like a BMW dealership here. They got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are hella Beamers. There's an M4 up there. She looks so good. I still can't get over how beautiful this thing is. I mean, it looks good from every possible angle. From the rear, the side, and then the front. It's super aggressive. We also put the new front lip and new grille from German Car Accessories. Make sure you guys go check them out. I also installed the yellow DRLs. Hard to see right now because the headlights are on. Now let me show you guys the downpipes that we got. So here they are. Let's try to take it out of here. Look at that. Sick. And then let's open this side up. I suck at unboxing. But yeah, here's everything. Catless, of course. That's the only way to do it. And with these, once you are tuned, you gain 27 wheel horsepower and 33 pound-feet of torque, which is actually a great power gain. here are the downpipes side by side. You got the factory ones on the left, and then you got the aftermarket ones on the right. These ones have the cats, and these ones are catless. Now we gotta wait for BMW to deliver us the new gas kits. I totally forgot about buying them before coming here, but it's okay. It's only gonna take 30 minutes to get delivered. We decided to get Jersey mics while we ride around in the vet. The downpipes are all done, and this is gonna be the first start. Wow, it got a lot louder. I didn't think it was gonna get that much louder, but it's louder. It sounds good. It sounds like a race car. It backfires so much more now. Ooh, I hear the turbos a little bit. Oh my God. Are you guys hearing this? Wait, let's put the seatbelt on. Let's put the seatbelt on. Wait. You guys gotta hear these pops. Dude, the throttle is so much more responsive. Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God. It pops so much more. It feels faster, sounds better. So the M3 is all done and good to go, and big shout out to Lance for getting it done, bro. Appreciate you.
Thank
you. Want to tell them where you're from and you know what you do?
Hey, I'm Lance, owner of Mzansi Imports and Performance. We just installed downpipes in this car. Customer is super happy.
Of course. And what do you specialize in?
So I specialize in BMW. I worked dealership 15 years. Master technician BMW North America, and this is all I do.
And also a big shout out to VRSF for sending me the downpipes. The link will be in the description if you are looking for any downpipes. I am very happy with the results. Big shout out to everyone involved. The links will be in the description. All right, let's full send it. Officially that annoying BMW owner. I made it to the hospital now, so I'm gonna go park up and then check myself in. I hope they don't keep me overnight because I don't trust the hospitals. All right, y'all, we're in the hospital. They put me in this wheelchair. Got this going on right here. I don't even need this wheelchair, but I think they just want to bill my insurance for some extra shit. We're here to get a CAT scan. Hopefully we make it out of here alive. All right, y'all, we are all done with the hospital. I just checked out. So after a bunch of testing, they said that half of my face is paralyzed temporarily, not forever. They don't know how it happened. They don't know how long it's gonna last. And you know, that's kind of where we're at. I don't even know how all this happened. It just randomly, I woke up and it was like this. So I gotta deal with that. I'm obviously gonna keep posting for you guys. So if I look half stupid, just know that I'm kind of half paralyzed. My face, like all this side right here is paralyzed for, I don't know how long. So they gave me a bunch of medicine and now I just gotta take it and hopefully this goes away soon. We are back in action, y'all. Well, your boy feels a lot better today than the last time you guys see me, which was a few days ago at the hospital. I've been just relaxing at home, taking my meds and just trying to heal. We made it to M1 and of course we only come through the private entrance. So what M1 Concourse is, it's like a community with a bunch of cool garages, and these aren't normal garages. Like these garages look like houses. Like some of them are more expensive than houses. So there's garages here, garages there, more garages over there. I'm gonna just drive through and show you guys. A bunch of them are opened up so you could see what's inside of them. Like, let's see what's in this one. Okay, this one has an Aston, a Shelby. All right, let's keep driving. Don't pay attention to the cars that are parked out here. Usually the cool cars are inside the garage. Let's see what they got here. Sometimes they put the nice cars out here too. Let's see, look how many people there are. It's a lot of people here. Oh, there's a McLaren right there. Look at that. All right, so we got a nice McLaren here. I think that's a 750 or a 720 right here. Yeah, I think it's a 720. It's like so many garages. I mean, look at this. You got a classic right here. That is beautiful right there. And look at this. That's the new Lambo right there. Let's see if we can focus on it. Right there. So as you can see, tons of cool cars, and we're gonna be able to walk around and check a bunch of these garages out. Let's start off with this Raptor R. Check this thing out. The color on this thing is beautiful. We got this beautiful white SF90 with the red carbon bucket seats. Check this garage out. You got a Demon right here in red, which is my favorite color on a Demon, and then you got this Ferrari right here. This is a beautiful combo, Demon and Ferrari. We got a Porsche right here, and then we got a Ferrari, a couple Ferraris. Got this blue SF90, and you got this, and then there's more down there. All right, y'all, so it started to get a bit chilly, and you know, I'm still sick, so I'm gonna just take my ass home. I tried to get out the house and film a little bit for y'all. I didn't even get to watch the fireworks, unfortunately.